Want to know why your trills sometimes feel stuck and slow? The reason could be you're not using the best fingering, and also there's too much tension in your wrist. Let me show you. So if you're using your fingers 3 and 4 to trill, or 4 and 5, these are the worst fingers to use for trilling because these fingers actually partially share the same tendons. So that means they're connected. So that's why it feels stuck. But the second finger and the third finger, they are more independent compared to 3 and 4, 4 and 5. So if you really have to choose fingers that are next to each other to trill, choose 2 and 3. But the best option is still alternating. So 1, 3 is good. So, or 2, 4, 3, 5, because they will feel more independent. And the second thing is you need to rotate your wrist. If your wrist stay stuck, your trills will sound stuck as well. So we tend to just rock our wrists sideways, like right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Notice how I started slowly and then I increased my speed? That's also a good way to practice. So start slowly and evenly with rotation and then slowly increase the speed. So remember 2 things. Pick the best fingering first and then rock side to side. Start slowly and evenly and increase the speed. Another thing that people struggle with is placing the end of a trill and then being able to play the following note in the next measure on time, such as this Chopin Nocturne in C sharp minor. So they struggle to finish the trills and then squeezing the tail of the trill in time, as well as making the C sharp not in the wrong place. So how we're going to practice that is, let's practice everything without the trills and just with the tails. So that takes away the stress of having to do the trills. And you just go try to think about one thing at a time. So think about where you want to squeeze this at the end. And my advice is don't think too much about it. Don't play it too fast. Just think about getting the final note on time on the next beat of the next measure. And then secondly, I think add in the trills. And just stop on the first note. And if you can make it in time on the beat, then give yourself a clap. And do that several times. So don't try to stress about doing everything perfectly the first time. Take it apart, make it easier for yourself, focus on one thing at a time, and then slowly piece it together.